right, today we're gonna bring a spray gun. Now this spray gun, it's 110 volts. All right, it has about 700 watts. It's about 3,200 RPMs. All right, so just make sure that you have the compressor set for that. Also, it's gonna fit about 1,000 milliliters of either whatever fluids you're gonna put in here. So let's take a look at a couple things that you should be aware. It comes with additional gloves, so you won't get dirty your hands. The cleaning material, also different nozzles, all right, all included in here. Now, one thing that's great, they give you funnels too. These are disposable ones, and then they give you the measurements. This is actually to measure the thickness of the actual paint if you're gonna need to add thinner or any chemicals, all right? Now, another thing is it comes with the instructions. We're gonna show you guys how to take it apart, how to remove it, and how to use it. So let's go ahead and do that.
So today we're gonna show you some of the features that it has on this gun. So this right here is to close the fan and open it up as wide as you want when you spray. And here, this small round thing is an adjuster where you close it or open it. It closes the trigger for the material, so if it closes, it doesn't throw a lot of material. When it opens, when you press on it more, it throws a lot more. And it's easy to use.
It's a pressure sensor.
You just, twist it around, and that's how you measure your.
It's a pressure sensor. Okay. Now, how do you clean this one?
And to clean it, like we use it for finish. This is a cabinet shop, so we use it a lot for water-based finish. So because it's water-based, you just clean it with water. And so once you finish, you need to clean it right away. You pour some water, put the material away. You open it up, you twist it around, and you spray some water through it to clean the line. That's as easy it is to clean it.
How do you take it apart?
And to take it apart right now, we're gonna show you right now. And to take it apart, you just press here, this button, twist it around, and it comes out when you wanna clean it. And this is the part you're gonna clean, because this is the electrical part. So with this spray gun, this is what we're doing. This is some rustic benches that we're doing. And this is the type of finish that we do here with this gun that we really like for water-based finish. As you see, we got the benches here. They're really nice, rustic benches that we got. And so today, this is our sample that we're making for the benches. We're gonna test this out, the sample for the customer, before we do the final finishes.